Namaskar, Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna. Literally, we are able to understand the reality of life because after facing a lot of conditional phases, sometimes in harder way, sometimes in polite way, we are getting aware to having them. Yes, we are inspired by them, and if we are not allowing to understand to comprehend those all movements in our life, then what we can say for our images, we are late, we are not able to understand, and what kind of weakness exists in our soul, or can say in belief, many of questions, no. But here, if we talking about the answer, the realization, then realizations means, firstly we have to understand we are literally the reason. Yes, we are only the reason for our, yes, in all the condition in which we are right now, or what we will see in present way we can handle. So first, we have to understand why, what we are blaming others, why we are keeping our side in those way, when we seems like we haven't those kinds of our worthful job or duty, and we just waste our time for using any kinds of negative thoughts or words for the front one. So literally we are able to understand those all reality of life. Means here mostly we have to understand that what the meaning of our life exists only keep their place in our hands. We are literally the reasons. Yes, reason. Basically, we can't able to understand and can't want to accept our fault. But if we have the courage to accept those all our faults, what we are doing, what we have done, then this is our worthful job. This is our real worship and real understanding of life. So we can do in our hand choices, we have what we have to do, because we can't blame others, and no one is the reason here. Yes, if we are seeing any of our negative conditions, then no one is the reason here. Reason is only we are able to understand firstly those all reality of our life, then we can say we have understood the real meaning of life, and not allowing to do the wrong side of understanding or having those all realizations in life source. Yes, we all have many of talks, many of words, themes for sharing. Then what we should do, we can't able to share those all our emotions to the front one, because every time we have felt the new lesson of life, the new inspiration of life. And here kindly, if we are supportive mean to say we have to understand to make ourselves aware for having the real and lesson of life in worthful way from the front conditions, and we are getting those all themes in mean choices we have, like an inspiration we are getting, or like a punishment can say we are facing. So choices we have, what fully we have to understand life source all derived by us, derived by our own the thinking. We can't blame others, so we have to understand those things. If we are aware that we are decorating our life in beautiful way, but in opposite way we all ever know. So here likewise we have to understand, and we have to be aware for having all the means reputation means thoughtful reputation in such a way where we can feel easy, comfortable and light for the in every conditions in which we are, because we can't do other things. We have to face, or we have to understand, or take lessons from them, or make ourselves mess from them. What we want to do, choices we have, because those all the phases are only derived by us. We are the maker of them. So we have to understand Lord Krishna is with us, or means overall always with us. Here we have to understand and see the Krishna's grace to us. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.